everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Peachy Pigeon. So I've got an acrylic paint haul today, and it's from when I went to Hobby Lobby. One of the recent times I went to Hobby Lobby, and I needed the Hobby Lobby bag for some trash, so I ended up switching it with a Dollar General bag. So I'm gonna try not to make too much noise with the bags, but last Christmas I was painting some ornaments, which I think most of them I gave away for gifts. If I have some pictures, I'll put the pictures in right now, but I was mostly trying to work with Molotow pens. I think I got a defective pack of them off Amazon, and I really needed a nice red, because the red I was using wasn't working so great, so I panic bought some quinacridone red, and if it's in here. Well, and the ivory black, but I don't see it. And I ended up really liking the consistency of the paint. And I was really surprised by the opacity, even though this color, if it will focus, is not opaque. But it was much more opaque than the stupid pens, the faulty pens. I shouldn't call them stupid, the faulty pens that I was using. So I'm going to lay out all the colors I have, and we'll go from there. So this is the OG tube, that's why I'm including it. The quinacridone red. We got red light. I'll try to say the pigments. PR209 quinacridone red. PR108 red light, that one's opaque. Prism violet, which is just carbazole violet. PV23 transparent. Indian yellow. PY139 transparent. Ultramarine blue transparent, PB29. Burnt umber. Opaque. I thought it would be transparent because of the earth. Okay, PBR7. Yellow light, PY35. Opaque. Titanium white is opaque. PW6. Burnt sienna. Opaque. PBR7. How are they? Are they normally? In watercolor, they're usually pretty transparent. Maybe I'm confusing something. Okay, there we go. Now you can see it. Next we have cobalt turquoise, opaque, PB36. Phthalo green blue shade, transparent, PG7. Naples yellow, opaque. This one is PBR24 and PW6. There's the ivory black. That's the other color that I got around Christmas time. Was it this Christmas? I think it was. The pandemic brain, and you forget all the things that have been happening. I don't know if it was this or last Christmas. phthalo blue green shade, transparent, PB15, nothing about a colon 3. And last but not least, quinacridone magenta, transparent, PR122. I'm just gonna set it right there. Okay, so we will swatch these and talk a little bit more about them. Be right back. Okay, quick change of plans. I'm gonna just talk about it a little bit, or try to. So here's the painting that I'm gonna do today, or I mean, not today, that I already did, that it's gonna be included in the video. It's Squirtle, it's from the 25th anniversary card, but like, this paint is amazing. Like, the opacity is great. So I use a lot of golden fluid. I only have one with me at the moment. This is one of my favorite. This is one of my favorite colors. The Cerulean Blue Deep. This is a good color. I do like it. But the golden colors, and hopefully, you know, everyone has their own opinions about what they like. So if you can't handle that, I don't know what you're doing watching reviews and hauls and stuff. But they stink. The golden paints stink. Like, I have my room, I'm right next to the window. I'm gonna get a shot of how close the desk is to the window. I open it, I ventilate it, I got a window fan. They heckin' stink, like fumes. And, you know, they do have formaldehyde in them and ammonia, and I don't know what it is about golden. It's just, it'll make me too lightheaded. Anyways, this is not complaints about golden. This paint, like the fluid acrylics, and I know they're fluid, you know, this is more on the opaque side. It's got the little meter, and it tells you that it's more on the opaque side. And I know that ultramarine is a transparent pigment, but I have ultramarine blue and golden, and I add a bunch of white to it. It still stays the same, like super see-through and really annoying. I put 3 coats of it on and I could see straight through it. I don't know what's wrong. I do the same thing with this. I put 1 coat with a little bit of white and it's solid. It's done, you know. So that I like that they're opaque. I like that they don't stink. And I know some colors are naturally transparent. You know, they blend well, they make colors well. I'm trying to think of what else to say. You know, I attempted impasto with them on part of the Squirtle here on his face and his body. That worked well. You know, the blending. I'll show you another. I'm working on a Moltres, and if I can hold it right. So here is, I don't want to move the camera. So here's he's supposed to be in a fire. It's smoky, and I think I nailed it. Pretty heckin' good. You know, no problems, no complaints about trying to get everything to blend. Like, it was great. And for that, I used the red light, the yellow light, burnt sienna, and what was the last one? I think it was ultramarine. I don't know. I'm gonna have to think. I know it was 4 colors, but you know, the coverage is great. There's 2 layers on this so far. I'm probably not even talking about this well enough. I'll have to write. I haven't written the script yet for the Squirtle tutorial part of it, but I'm really blown away by these paints. Like, I want all the colors. Okay, now we'll go to swatching, and I'll probably speed through it so that it's not super boring. Be back.
Another end of the night, here I am by your side again. I couldn't hide what I've been keeping inside, so I tried to deny it again. And tonight feels different. Maybe something is different in the air. Can't wait another minute. The anticipation getting to be too much to bear. Do you want me? 'Cause I want you, baby. And I'm just sorry that it took me this damn long. Do you want me? 'Cause I want you, baby. And you know what it does to me when you play that song. Do you want me? Do you want me? Baby, do you want me? Do you? Another end of the night, and there's a look in your eye that's new. Spend so much time looking for a place to hide, but somehow I always end up next to you. And tonight is different, yeah. Baby, something is different in the air. Don't wait another minute. The anticipation getting to be too much to bear. Do you want me? 'Cause I want you, baby. And I'm just sorry that it took me this damn long. Do you want me? 'Cause I want you, baby. And you know what it does to me when you play that song. Do you want me? Do you want me, baby? 'Cause I want you. Do you want me? Baby, do you want me? Baby, 'cause I want you, baby. Do you want me, baby? How can I ever be without you anymore? Babe, I'll be frank, you make me lose my self-control. How can I ever be without you anymore? Babe, I'll be frank, you make me lose my self-control. So do you want me? 'Cause I want you, baby. And I'm just sorry that it took me this damn long. Do you want me? 'Cause I want you, baby. And you know what it does to me when you play that song. Do you want me? 'Cause I want you, baby. And I'm just sorry that it took me this damn long. Do you want me? 'Cause I want you, baby. And you know what it does to me when you play that song. Do you want me? Baby, 'cause I want you. Do you want me? Baby, do you want me? Baby, 'cause I want you. Baby, do you want me? Baby, you told me that you loved me. You told me that you needed me. You told me there was nothing in the world that you wanted more. What you say that for? You've got a funny way of saying what you mean when you tell me I'm the best you ever had. Then you take it back. after a